I'm Mike Catton, and I'm delivering this very quick presentation for you to help you as personal trainers move from delivering personal training to delivering workshops, talks and seminars for your team. It's a quick 2-minute video for Bronnie at Catch Fitness and you, the personal trainers, making a real difference to the people worldwide. Now, first off, you have to ask yourself the question, why run workshops and trainings? Your reason might be that you want to earn more income. You can easily multiply your income by tenfold when you start doing trainings and workshops versus just doing personal training and group training. You might want to be working on your impact, that you're building a tribe, that you're taking that tribe and taking from where they are right now, where they might be stuck at a certain weight or a certain physical strength capability, and you're moving to point B, where they're going to be fitter, stronger, healthier, leaner. So what impact do you want? It might be that you're looking for purpose and fulfillment, that when you see your tribe move from point A to point B, that you feel something inside to let you know that you've done a great day's work. Whatever your reason why, I need you to find your reason so that you can better deliver and overcome the challenges. Because motivation is key. You're going to have some setbacks. You're going to have to learn some new stuff, whether it be presenting to an audience live, whether it be presenting to a camera, whether it be learning new material. You need to overcome the procrastination to learn this new stuff. You need to look at how do you overcome the sales objections. Either way, you're going to need some motivation, and your why is going to be critical to that. Next step is what? What will you deliver in your workshops? The key thing here is to look at the transformation you take your clients on, to take them from that point A of being stuck to point B where they've got their goal. If there's not enough of a gap between those, or there's not enough value in there for your clients, they won't be on that journey with you. So you need to show that transformation. And then you need to show how easy it is following your strategy to move from A to B. So what are the little steps they're going to do day to day that are going to take them from A to B? You need to make it easy to remember and easy to follow and apply in their lives. The next step is showing how it works. You need examples of people putting on muscle. You need examples of people losing weight. You need examples of people increasing their stamina. What are your case studies? What are your examples of people succeeding and moving from A to B? Once you've done that and you've got that transformation sorted, you need to work on the how. How will you deliver the workshop? Okay, what will it be like? You need to make it engaging, fun, entertaining. What are the meaningful aha moment experiences where people truly get in their mind and in their spirit, in their body, what it is to move from A to B? Now for me, when I was doing nutritional seminars with my personal training clients, I was having them eat certain foods and seeing the taste differences, perhaps between an apricot that's an organic one or one that's not. I'd have them doing Wim Hof breathing techniques to experience cold immersion, take them on adventures. What is it will you do that make your learning memorable and easy to apply? And of course, your delivery as the trainer makes a huge difference. Can you inspire people to make the journey, to put the effort in required to move from A to B, to get them the results that they want? Now for me and Bronnie, back in 2008, we spent 3 days with a guy called Steve, and the three of us, we just practiced speaking skills over and over and over again to learn how to work in front of camera, in front of an audience. And since that time, I've trained over 1,000 people to get in front of an audience and deliver their presentations. So when is the time for you to start presenting? I would argue now. We're in a well-being crisis. We need people like you to get in front of people, to do nutritional stuff, to get them to motivated to do their exercises, to do their yoga, whatever it is, to take these populations in your tribes, take them from this stuck place to this place where they're feeling fulfilled and connected and healthy. So today, I'd like you to set a goal to deliver your first workshop to your tribe within 2 months of today. Best wishes.